Wendy, I'm very much looking forward to my awesome 40th birthday party. Super awesome, y'all.
Yes, the party on Saturday, October 30th will be fun. You should remember to go, Mikey. All of your bestest friends will be there.
I will. It's my party, and I plan to attend. Hey, I have a great idea that would make the party super awesome fun.
Is it all the great horse delvers that we are getting for people to snack on?
No, but that sounds good.
Is it the drinks that will be served responsibly?
No. But that also sounds good.
Should we have a room dedicated to playing the smash hit video game called Rock Band?
Also a good idea, but no. Mine is even better, and will rock the house from here to there, for shizzle.
What is it then?
We should have a room dedicated solely to a Dungeons and Dragons tournament.
What, you can't be serious?
Yes. It will be so cool. I even have a character all prepared, with magical chainmail, a +2 to hit rolls, and I'm a one-man wrecking crew with my broadsword of doom, rolling for damage on a 20-sided die.
I can't believe I am hearing this. It is your 40th birthday party.
No, seriously. The character's name is Griblag Frothrolrit. It is Klingon for Righteous Paladin of Doom.
I think you are crazy.
Well, I don't think that is necessary.
Fair enough. How about just drinks, snacks, and Rock Band? Is that okay?
Sure. I guess so. But can I still roll for damage on my 20-sided die?
Sigh. Yes. You can bring your 20-sided dice.